You might have already heard about the incredible Ozempic, a revolutionary solution for shedding weight. It has become so famous that in some places, there's even a shortage. People are talking about it everywhere, and doctors are prescribing it not only to those with diabetes, but also to individuals looking to lose weight. But does Ozempic really make you lose weight? And if so, how does it work? Let's break it down in simple terms so everyone can grasp the concept. What is Ozempic and can it help you lose weight? Ozempic is a unique drug that can help you lose weight. It's not a magical solution, but it has some impressive effects. The primary reason doctors prescribe Ozempic is due to a side effect that leads to weight loss. However, it's not just a weight loss drug. It's originally intended to help people with type 2 diabetes manage their blood sugar levels. Is Ozempic only for people with diabetes? Ozempic was initially approved by the FDA as a diabetes drug for those with type 2 diabetes. However, doctors have been using it off-label for people without diabetes who want to lose weight. Off-label means doctors can prescribe a drug for a purpose other than what it was officially approved for. In this case, doctors might think that Ozempic could benefit non-diabetic individuals in losing weight. How does Ozempic make you lose weight? Ozempic works in several ways to help you lose weight. It supports the pancreas in producing more insulin, controls the liver's glucose production, slows down food release from the stomach, and reduces appetite. All these factors combined can lead to weight loss. How much weight can you lose with Ozempic? Research shows that people taking Ozempic can lose around 8 to 14 pounds on average, depending on the dosage. Some studies even suggest weight loss of up to 15 pounds. But remember, results vary, and not everyone experiences the same amount of weight loss. Are there side effects? Like any medication, Ozempic comes with potential side effects. The most common ones reported include nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. However, not everyone experiences these side effects, and some might find them minor or manageable. Is Ozempic right for you? Deciding if Ozempic is suitable for you is a decision to make with your doctor. Some individuals benefit from it, while others might not. If you're considering Ozempic, discuss it with your doctor, especially if you're concerned about potential side effects. Maintaining weight loss after Ozempic. If Ozempic helps you lose weight, it's important to have a plan for maintaining that weight loss after stopping the medication. This might involve adopting new eating habits and staying active to prevent regaining the lost weight. In conclusion, Ozempic is a remarkable drug that can aid weight loss, but it's not a guaranteed solution. It was initially designed for managing blood sugar levels in type 2 diabetes, but doctors sometimes prescribe it for weight loss due to its side effects. If you're interested in trying Ozempic, have a conversation with your doctor, set realistic expectations, and consider how you'll maintain your weight loss journey even after you stop taking the medication. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.